Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you how I made my small tier tray to add to my little coffee station. I have some tier trays that I've purchased, but I've never made one before, so I thought I'd bring you along while I made my snowman one. What you'll need are 2 of the burner covers. They come in a set of 2. And you'll also need 3 baby food jars. I decided to add a smaller third one for the face and head. You'll need to find the center of your burner covers and 2 of the lids. You can either do that by taking a piece of paper and tracing your circle and folding it in 4s and then snipping off the point, and you can get your center that way. Or I just use grid paper and a center mark ruler to find my centers. Then you'll need to drill holes into 2 of the lids and your burner covers. And you'll need some screws and bolts and washers. The one lid was painted white, as well as the large burner cover, and I bolted that together, screwed that together, and then I painted another lid black with the smaller burner cover white, and I screwed them together. Then Next I took some polyacrylic and some fine glitter, and similar to ornaments, I dusted the inside to make them white. I used this Gorilla Glue for the first time to attach my 2 glass baby food jars. It works wonders. I highly recommend it. And I put some weight on it, left it overnight to harden, and then I came back and I screwed one end into the black lid, which is part of the hat and the smaller burner cover, and I turned it over and I screwed the other jar into the white lid on the larger burner cover, and then my 2 were together. Now I did find this problematic because the screw actually was raised and my head baby food jar wouldn't sit without wobbling, so I just glued on a pill bottle. Next, I had a scrap piece of the baby blanket from DollarTree. I cut a strip and then I fringed either end because this will be our scarf. And I didn't want to have it very bulky, so the center pieces of it I just hot glued into each other. And then rather than a big knot, I just used some yarn and I tied it off when I wrapped it around my pill jar. And then I let it hang off the side. Next, I found some buttons from DollarTree and I crookedly glued them on. Darn, that hot glue holds fast. And then I found an image and I actually cut my pieces out from Cricut because I'm terrible at drawing, and I added a hat to the top of my head, and that's it. Oh, and I glued my head onto the pill bottle, and that's it. My tier tray is done. Here you can see how I styled it. The top is very flimsy. I would put nothing with weight on it, but the bottom is fine. In fact, the screw is actually helping to hold up the center on the bottom portion. And here you can see my little coffee station. I wrapped my picture in paper, hung up my little sign, and I think it came out really cute. So if you enjoyed my little snowman tier tray, please give my video a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you liked about it, and if you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another DollarTree DIY. Thank you. Take care.